Okay, hello Binanceans, how are you? In this video we are going to be talking about withdrawal address management. This is another security feature of the Binance exchange. I have personally not yet set it up, but it is a very good idea for me to have this enabled. So we're going to go ahead and do it together right here. So if you're wondering what withdrawal address management is, it says right here that it allows you to save and write memos for each of your addresses, and the optional whitelist function helps protect your funds by only allowing withdrawals to whitelisted addresses. Whichever addresses that you whitelist here will be the only ones where your funds will be able to be withdrawn to. And this is very useful if you were ever to be phished and someone somehow got your password and got access into your account. They would not be able to withdraw their funds to their address. Or if you had API connected to your Binance account and bots were trading on your behalf or what have you, they would not be able to be hacked and then withdraw any of your funds. So let's go ahead and see what it takes to set this up. It says right here, when this function is turned on, your account will only be able to withdraw to whitelisted withdrawal addresses. So let's turn this on. After turning on this function, you will only be able to withdraw to whitelisted withdrawal addresses. Are you sure you want to turn it on? Yes, we are sure. Okay, then let's put in our 2FA. And then we go ahead and click on Address Management. And this is where we select which coins can be withdrawn to which addresses. So if I wanted to say my Cardano could only be withdrawn to my address, then I would just copy my Daedalus wallet address into here, verify that I have it correct by checking the first 4 and the last 4 characters of the address. I check add to whitelist and submit. Then I ask for my Google 2FA once again. And here in my email, we have the confirmation that my Cardano address has been whitelisted. And I go ahead and confirm add here. Okay, so after we have our email confirmation, we can click from here to the home page. And then we can go to the withdrawals page. And as you can see, I went ahead and put in an Ethereum withdrawal address. This is the only address that can now be loaded into here. They cannot load any other addresses. If I go to BTC, we have the same thing. They're unable to load any other addresses other than the ones that I have whitelisted in the system. And we can do the same with Cardano. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. So be safe out there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.